BYD, China's biggest manufacturer of electric vehicles, invited members of media to Shenzhen for a vehicle assembly plant, its battery production facility, research and development centers, museum, and other places of interest, showcasing its vision for an electric future. Members of media got to experience driving its electric vehicles, including the Atto 3, which BYD plans to bring to the Philippines.
We're here in Zhuhai International Circuit. No? We're here for the test drive of the BYD, the BYD Seal. And the purpose of this circuit event is for our journalist friends to appreciate the driving performance of a BYD.
Over the course of 4 days, invited members of media got exposed to BYD's mission and vision for the future.
You would see the vision of the chairman, and clearly the company is driven by the strength of BYD is the innovation and the technology put into electric vehicles. They're the only one that has fully integrated the core technologies of EV. This includes not only the battery, but the motors and the vehicle controllers. We would go through headquarters. We would go through the various laboratories and museums that would help us appreciate the essence of BYD brand, which is innovation and technology.